What if the simplest breakfast swap could cut saturated fat, boost fiber, and lower long-term heart risk without losing that? Meet mashed avocado, your new spread that's buttery in texture, but better for your body. 1 tablespoon of butter packs about 102 calories and roughly 7 grams of saturated fat, which can push LDL higher over time. A 1/3 avocado, about 50 grams, delivers around 80 calories, only about 1 gram of saturated fat, and mostly heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, plus fiber and potassium for bonus satiety and balance. In 2 large Harvard cohorts followed for 30 years, eating 2 servings of avocado per week and swapping it for butter, cheese, or processed meats was linked to 16 to 22% lower cardiovascular disease risk. Scoop, mash with lemon or lime and a pinch of salt. On-screen tip: acid slows browning plus brightens flavor. This quick mash gives a creamy, buttery mouthfeel without the cholesterol that comes with animal fat spreads. Flavor upgrades, montage, chili flakes, olive oil drizzle, everything seasoning. Want richer texture? Blend with a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil for a silky, spreadable finish while keeping saturated fat low. Nutrition call-out: side-by-side lower thirds. Butter, 102 cal sat fat. 10 gram per tablespoon. Avocado, 50 calories, 80 kilocal sat fat 1 gram. Fiber, 3 gram. Potassium, 240 milligram. You're not just cutting saturated fat, you're adding fiber and micronutrients that refined butter can't provide. Satiety moment. Topping ideas flash: egg, smoked salmon, hemp seeds. If protein is the goal, top your avocado spread with an egg or a sprinkle of hemp seeds for a steadier, more filling breakfast. Real-life tip: for sandwiches and wraps, use 1/3 of an avocado per serving. It's an easy, sustainable portion that keeps flavor high and saturated fat low. Bonus swap for bakers: in muffins or quick breads, try replacing 25–50% of butter with avocado puree to reduce saturated fat. Adjust moisture for texture and crumb. Small changes at breakfast add up. 2 avocado servings a week were associated with lower heart disease risk over decades, and this spread makes it effortless. If this helped, tap like, share it with a butter lover, and subscribe for more 1-minute healthy swaps.